Hey raccoon. Hello. What you doing down there? You having something to eat? Looks like you got some meat there. That's a good boy. Good boy. You go eat whatever you got there. What is that anyway? What do you got? What is that? Some sort of mouse? Bird? Hey, you're not scared of anything, eh? Wow. You're just chilling. You're just chilling, eh? That's a good boy. What you doing, huh? Are you a good little raccoon? You ate a bird there? Looks like you got yourself a birdie. You got a birdie. That's right. Good boy. Eat that up. You eat that up. Good boy. That's right. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave you alone.